Right guys, today we're going to be talking about 3 things that you can do straight away to improve your trading performance that have nothing to do with trading. Okay, so number 1, what you're going to do is get up earlier. Now, what I mean by that is get up before your trading session starts, and not just before. Don't roll out of bed, get to your desk and start trading. You're not going to be in the right mindset. This is all about waking yourself up in the morning. So give yourself an hour at least before your trading session start. If, say, because I start at 7 a.m. UK time, I'll get up at 5:30. It gives me an hour and a half to get up, have a shower, a bit of exercise, have my coffee, whatever you want to do, get in the right mindset, start trading. Now that brings me to my second point, which is you want to get up early because you do want to do those other things. You want to wake up your mind, and a great way to do that is to get some blood moving around your body. So number 2 is exercise. Get some exercise. It can be any form of exercise you like. It doesn't have to be a heavy workout. It can just be a run around the block, it can be some star jumps, some press ups, whatever you want to do. Just get that blood moving around your body. And it's the starting to do things that you don't really feel like doing, get you in the right mindset overall, because you want to be in control of yourself to instill that discipline. And along those same lines, we're going to go with number 3, which is take a cold shower. And there's been a lot said about this recently. You've got Wim Hof going on about it on the telly. Yes, we've heard about it a lot, but also, yes, they are absolutely brilliant for waking you up in the morning. You'll never feel more refreshed and ready than you do after you've had a cold shower. Now, you don't have to start it cold. You don't have to just jump in the morning, jump into a cold shower. You don't want to do that. You can start off just normal shower, have it hot, and just slowly turn it round to cold at the end of your shower. Ease yourself in, but stay under that cold water, breathe deeply. You will absolutely feel awake and refreshed after that shower, I'm telling you. I'm going to give you one bonus thing now, and that bonus is to look after yourself and your nutrition, because nutrition, as we all know, is great for the mind and the body. If you feel good physically, you feel good mentally. You will sleep better if you eat better. You don't eat too late in the day, and also mentally, right? If you can't resist a donut or a pizza or a burger or a cookie, whatever, if you can't resist that for your diet, it's the same thing mentally as being able to resist that stupid FOMO trade that you get in on, you take a loss. It's a downward spiral. All these things come back to controlling your mind and having some discipline. Building that discipline in your personal life, it will bleed through into your trading life, because there's no separation. You as a person is what you are as a trader, okay? So I hope that helped. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, drop down in the comments as well anything that helps you wake up in the morning or just throughout the day, whatever helps you keep in that trading routine with your mindset. I'd love to know. So yeah, see you next time.